Good morning, friends, and welcome to this week's Play at Home. My name is Miss Katie. Play at Home is a program designed for ages 2 and up, and their grown-ups, to use a materials kit provided by the library to practice early learning or early literacy skills. You can call the library today and ask for any extra kits that are available for this week's activity. This week's activity is all about learning the days of the week in order. We've included a days of the week chart starting with Sunday and going till Saturday, as well as clothespins for you to match up the days of the week with your child. You can put the day of the week that matches that clothespin, Wednesday and Wednesday, together. And that's how you'll practice learning the names of the days of the week. You'll also be able to practice the order of the days of the week using the today is clothespin. So because today is Tuesday, that's where I would clip the clothespin for today. You can also use these activities to encourage more early literacy and early learning skills. You can practice writing the days of the week by using the letters here as a guide. You can start talking about, well, if today is, then yesterday was, and tomorrow is. These are really important skills for our young friends to learn and something that they will focus on in preschool and kindergarten programs. I hope you enjoyed today's Play at Home and that you'll have a chance to pick up the materials kit from the library. This is our last Play at Home for spring of 2021, so please make sure to check out Glenview Public Library's Summer Lines, which is our newsletter, for all of the great activities and programs that will be going on this summer, including our Summer Reading Challenge. Stop by the library to pick a copy today or visit us at glenviewpl.org to find out everything that's going on. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week learning together. Goodbye, friends.